Hello friends, as requested, sharing class 3 IMO, that is Math Olympiad 2023 Set B question paper. Very soon we are going to upload for class 2 also, so stay tuned. If you have not yet subscribed the channel, go ahead and do so. Now let's solve the paper. First section, logical reasoning. Question 1. Which of the following figures is exactly embedded in the given figure as one of its parts? So among ABCD, we have to find the option which is exactly positioned in the figure. Not rotated, not upside down, but exactly like that. And that is option A. Let me show you where it is. It's here. So it is option A. Question 2. Which of the following figures will replace the question mark in the given figure matrix? So to solve these type of question, we have to see from left to right, is there any rule applied, or from top to bottom. Let's first do left to right. 1, 2, 3 in the first row. So what could be the logic? It could be 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Let's see if that applies in the second row. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Yes, that is the rule. So let's add 5 plus 2. What we'll get? We'll get 7. Option C is the right answer. Question 3. Which of the following words can be formed from the letters of the given word? So there are some letters in this word tremendous. Okay. And we have to see out of A, B, C, D, which one can be formed using the letters which are there in tremendous. Let's see option A, vendor. We cannot make it because V is not there. B is smoke. And that also we cannot make because K is not there. C is enough. We cannot make it because G, H is not there. And then we have mentor. Now this one we can make because M-E-N-T-O-R. All these letters are there in tremendous. So option D is the right answer. Question 4. There is a certain relationship between the pair of figures on the either side of analogy. Identify the relationship on the left pair and find the missing figure. Let's see. So left pair has two triangles. That means three-sided figure. And then it has four-sided figures. So one side is additional in the second figure. Okay, now let's see the right one. If the second figure has 5 sides, so what should be the first figure? It should have only 4 sides, one less, right? So we'll have squares or rectangle over there. Option C is the right answer. Question 5. Which of the following figures will complete the pattern in the given figure? Okay, the pattern is that there is a black shaded part, then we have a yellow shaded part, then what will come? It will be black shaded part, right? And the diagonal ones are similar mirror image, except the shaded portion is on the other side of the figure. So according to that, what should be there? The right answer should be option B. Question 6. Select the correct mirror image of the given figure if the mirror is placed vertically to the right. Now let's place the mirror and it would look like this. So option D is the right answer. Question 7. In how many different ways can the teacher reach the school? Okay, so there is a teacher and there is a school and there are some ways. And arrows are given to guide you like in which direction you can move to make the different ways. Let's see the first one. First one would be straightforward. Then second one would be this. And then third one would be this. And then we will have fourth one, which will be this. And we will have only 4. So option D is the right answer. Question 8. Which of the following carrots is second to the left of fourth carrot from the right end? So first we have to find the fourth carrot from the right end. Let's do so. First, second, third and fourth. And now from that we have to find which one is second to the left of V. 1, 2. So R is the right answer over here. Option C. If hospital means police station means school, and school means temple, then where will you go for getting education? So where do we go to get education? It is school. And what means school here? Police station means school here. So option C, police station is the right answer. Question 10. Find the total number of slanting lines in the given figure. So let's see the first figure. Here in each triangle we have 3 slanting lines. Okay. So how many triangles are there? There are 4 triangles and 4 into 3 is 12. So in total 12 slanting lines. And then let's see the second figure. We have in each triangles 2 slanting line over here, because the last one is the horizontal line. So let's see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In total we have 8 slanting line in second figure. So 12 plus 8 is equal to 20. Option D is the right answer. Mathematical reasoning. Question 11. Which of these options shows 1 hour 15 minutes less than the time shown in the clock? So what is the time shown in the clock? It is 12:15, right? Now 12 hour is there. We have to subtract hour from hour. So 12 hour minus 1 hour equal to 11 o'clock, right? Now 15 minutes are there and we have to subtract 15 minutes, right? So that is going to be 0. So the new time is going to be 11 hour 0 minute, exactly 11 o'clock. So option A is the right answer. Question 12. The expanded form of 4759 is, let's see, option A will give us 4714. Option B will give us 1159. Option C will give us 4759. That is the right answer. And option D will give us 4579. So option C here is the right answer. Direction 13 and 14. The given pictograph shows the number of umbrellas sold by a shop in the given 4 months. Study the pictograph carefully and answer the following questions. So first, let's study the pictograph. Here, months are given, the number of umbrellas sold are given, and each pictorial umbrella means 10 umbrellas. So let's first find out number of umbrellas for each month. 3 pictorial means 3 into 10, that is 30 umbrellas. 4 pictorial means 4 into 10, 40 umbrellas. 5 means 5 into 10, 50 umbrellas. And then 7 into 10, 70 umbrellas. Now we know that in each month how many umbrellas were sold. Now let's solve the question. Question 13. If each umbrella costs rupees 50, then how much total money is earned in the month of July? So how many umbrellas were there in July? 50. And each umbrella costed 50. So how much 50 umbrella will cost? It is a multiplication. So 50 into 50 is equal to 2500. So the right answer is option A. Question 14. In which month the maximum number of umbrellas were sold? That you can directly see from the table. And that is August. Option D. Question 15. Which of the following thermometers shows 7 degree less than 67 degrees? So first let's do the calculation. 7 degrees less than 67 is equal to 67 minus 7, that is 60. Now you have to simply see which thermometer shows 60, and that is option B. Question 16. How many total squares and triangles are there in the given figure? Let's find out. So let's see the squares. Now squares are 1, 2, 3, 4. We have only 4 squares. All 4 are having triangles inside, right? So total number of squares are 4. Now let's see triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We have total 6 triangles. Now we have to make a total. We will get 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. The right option is option B. Question 17. In the given abacus, if 2 beads are removed from the ones place and 2 beads are added at thousands place, then what will be the sum of the new number formed and the number given on abacus? So first let's find the number given on abacus, and that is 3536. Now what is mentioned over here? That we have to remove 2 beads from ones place. Ones place is 6. If we remove 2 beads, we'll get 4 at ones place. And then we have 2 beads are added at thousands place. So currently they have 3 at thousands place. We'll add 2, we'll get 5. Rest all 110s are same. So that is 5. New number which we are getting is 5534. Now we have to simply sum that. Let's do it. So what we are going to get? We are going to get 9070. Option D is the right answer. Question 18. Which of the following figures shows 2 by 3 as shaded fraction? First let's see in which figure we have only 2 shaded fractions. And that is figure BN. That is the only figure, right? B and No, C is also there. So B and C are there. Now let's see which one has 3 parts. The figure is divided in 3 parts, and that is only C. So C is divided in 3 parts, and out of 3, 2 are shaded, and that is the meaning of fraction. It is 2 by 3. So option C is the right answer. Question 19. Rashi has a given amount of money. Let's first find the given amount of money. Sorry that it is not much visible, but I'll tell you how much it is. It is 500 note, then 200 note, then we have 100 rupees note, then again 100 rupees note, and then we have 20. If we sum that, we'll get the total amount of money with Rashi, and that is going to be 920. Now let's see the question. Which of the following items can she not buy from the given money? Okay, so she has a certain amount of money. Anything which costs more than that money, that she cannot buy. And which one is greater than 920? That is option B, toy train. It costs 950. She cannot buy it. Option B is the right answer. Question 20. If 3 circles equal to 150, circle divided by triangle equal to 10, then find the value of triangle. Very simple. So let's see what is given. It is given that 3 circle equal to 150. So 1 circle will be equal to 150 divided by 3. That is 50. So 1 circle equal to 50. Now let's replace circle's value in the second equation. So we will get 50 divided by triangle equal to 10. So triangle will be equal to 50 divided by 10, which will give you value as 5. Okay. So right now, what is the value of triangle? It is 5. So option D is the right answer for us. Everyday mathematics. Question 21. In a month, 3,153 children visited the library in the first week and 1,029 children visited the library in the second week. How many total children visited the library in both the weeks? It is a simple addition. Let's add that. The answer which we will get is 4,182. That is option C. Question 22. Sahil bought 2 mobile chargers and 5 mobile stands. How much total money does he need to pay? So we have to simply find how much 2 mobile chargers will cost and how much 5 mobile stands will cost, and then we will add it. Let's see, 1 mobile charger is 199. So 2 mobile charger will be multiplied by 2. Okay, that will give us 398. Now 5 mobile stand will cost 145 multiplied by 5, which will give you 725. Now we have to add it to understand the total amount which Sahil has to pay. Let's add it. After adding, we are getting the answer 1,123. B is the right answer. Question 23. Mana saw some digits written on the 4 apple. What is the largest 4-digit number that can be formed by using the given digits? Use each digit only once. Now, in such type of questions, when it is asked that you have to make the largest number out of a set of digits and you can use those digits just once, simply use the descending order. Okay. Here the numbers are 5701. So we will make a descending order. It will give you 7510, and that is going to be your largest 4-digit number out of these digits. Option C is the right answer. Question 24. Madhu wrote a number on the blackboard as shown below, 6-9. If it is formed from 3 different digits, then that means not 6, not 9, something different in between. Then which of the following digit could be placed in the gap to make it the greatest number out of the given option? So we have to choose the greatest number out of A, B, C, D, which should not be 6 or 9. And the greatest number here is 9, which we cannot use. So the second greatest number is D, that is 8. And that is our right answer. Question 25. Ravi gave 5 bundles of ribbon to his friend. If the length of ribbon in each bundle is 439 centimeter, then find the total length of ribbon in 5 bundles. So it is simple multiplication, because in one bundle it is 439 and there are 5 bundles. So we will multiply 439 by 5. The answer which we will get is 2195. Option D is the right answer. Question 26. Kanak wants to draw a circle. Which of the given objects can she use to draw the circle? Now these all are 3D objects. And we can see that cone also has circles and a circle in the base, and cylinder is also having the circle in the base. But the brick does not have that. So we can make circles from P and Q both. Option C is the right answer. Question 27. There are 3,150 members in a club, out of which 1,987 are males. How many females are there in the club? Very simple. We have to just subtract it to find out the remaining number, because remaining number will be of females. So let's do that subtraction. And the answer what we get is 1,163, and that is the number of females in the club. The right answer here is option B. Question 28. If the weight of a dog is 7 kg, 595 gram, and the weight of a cat is 4 kg, 120 gram, then how much is the dog heavier than the cat? We have to do subtraction. So let's first subtract kgs. 7 kg minus 4 kg is 3 kgs. Now let's see how much gram. Gram would be 595 minus 120, that is 475 grams. So the right answer here should be 3 kgs 475 grams, that is option A. Question 29. Dia spent 28 days at summer camp. What is the total number of weeks she spent? So in a week, how many number of days are there? 7, right? So if we divide 28 days by 7, we'll understand the number of weeks. So that is 4. The right answer over here is option A, 4. Question 30. There are 10 birds sitting on the branch of a tree, out of which 4 are sparrows, 3 are pigeons, and rest are parrots. What fraction of the total birds are parrots? So before that, we have to find what is the number of parrots. So what we have to do is, we have to subtract 4 plus 3 from 10. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7, and 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. So there are total 3 parrots. And when we have to find out the fraction, we have to keep the number of parrots above and divide by total number. So the right answer here should be 3 by 10. Option A is the right answer. Moving to the last section, that is Achievers section. It holds double marks for each question. Question 31. Read the time on the given 2 clocks carefully and fill in the blanks. Let's see. P is showing 15 minutes past 6 o'clock and Q is showing 30 minutes past 7 o'clock. Now let's see the question A. If the clock P is 30 minutes slow, that means P is running slow. Actual time here is 6:45. Okay. Then the correct time is, oh, we already got the answer. It is 6:45. 45 minutes past 6 o'clock. So P should be 6:45. Now here only option B has 6:45. So that is going to be the right answer. But let's confirm it for the statement B also. The difference between the time shown on the 2 clocks is, now let's see. The first clock shows 6:15 and the second clock shows 7:30. Simply subtract it. R to hour, 7 minus 6 is 1 hour, and 30 minutes minus 15 minutes equal to 15 minutes. So option B is correct. For A it should be 6:45 and for B it should be 1 hour 15 minutes. Question 32. In a train journey, there are 1,560 passengers in a train. 515 passengers deboard the train on station A. That means they were out of the train. Then there must be some remaining passengers in the train. And as it reached station B, there were more passengers added. 1,157. So let's see statement P. How many total passengers are there in the train now? Very good. So let's solve one by one. First, we'll find how much passengers were left when few passengers deboarded from the train. So what we'll do is 1,560 minus 515 passengers. So 1,045 passengers were there on the train when the train started from station A. Then when it reached station B, more passengers got added. So let's sum these two. 1045 plus 1157 is equal to 2202. And that is the total passengers right now there in the train. So we have option D, which has P as 2202. Let's see the statement Q. How many passengers were there in the train after leaving station A? Oh wow, we already solved that. That is the first subtraction which we did. That is 1045. So the right answer here is option D. Question 33. Navya's mother gave her the following amount of money to buy vegetables from the market. Let's first total that money. And total money she'll have is 500 plus 200 plus 100 plus 50. That is 850. Now she bought 2 kg brinjals. Let's find the value of 2 kg brinjals first. So 1 brinjal costs 75. So 2 kg brinjals will cost 75 into 2. That is 150 rupees. 2 kg potatoes. If 1 kg potato costs 90, so 2 kg potatoes will cost 90 into 2. That is 180 rupees. 1 kg onion, that is already directly written, that is rupees 120. And 1 kg cauliflowers, that is rupees 180. Now how much total amount is left with her? It's a subtraction. So total amount of money she had was 850. What we have to do is, we have to first add the total amount which she has spent. Okay, that is 150 rupees for brinjals plus 180 rupees for potatoes, 180 rupees for cauliflower and 120 rupees for onion. That is 630. In total she spent 630 rupees. Now total she had 850 rupees. Let's subtract 630 from that and then we will know how much money was left with her. And after subtraction we get 220 rupees. That is the amount which is left with her. Option A is the right answer. Question 34. The given bar graph shows the different numbers of animals in Mr. Gupta's farm. Study the graph carefully and answer the following questions. Find the fraction of numbers of horses and rabbits together to the total number of animals. First, let's find the total number of animals. Okay, let's see. Goat, they are 35. Then cow, 30. Then sheep, 20. Horse, 40. And rabbit, 20. So in total, 145 animals were there. Now we have to find the fraction of number of horses and rabbits. So we will add first number of horses and rabbits. And what it would be? It would be 40 plus 20. That is 60. And I told you, when we write the fraction, we write it in a way, the number of asked thing divided by the total. Okay. So here the number of horses and rabbits is asked together, which is 60, divided by total, that is 145. So 60 by 145 is the fraction. Okay. Now let's see Q. Find the total number of goats, sheep and rabbits all together. It is a simple addition. That is 35 plus 20 plus 20, 75. So P as 60 by 145 and Q as 75 is the right option. It is option C. Question 35. Arrange the shaded fractions of the given figures in ascending order and select the correct option. This is very simple and straightforward. Let's see in P how many shaded portions are there. They are 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. In Q they are 5 and in R they are 3. And in each figure, what is the total? Total is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and that is common for all three figures. So the total is common. So we will simply compare the fractions. We will simply see the shaded figures and put them in the ascending order. Ascending order means from smallest to largest. And the right answer which we'll get is RPQ, which is option A. With this, we have successfully solved Class 3 IMO 2023 Set B question paper. Do like the video and subscribe to the channel if you have not yet done, and keep watching, keep learning. Thank you. Bye-bye.